Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where we explore all things UI and UX design. And today we're going to be critiquing the mobile app from dayuse.com. So this is the sign up screen for their mobile application. For those who don't know, dayuse.com is a website where you can book hotels for the day. Hotel rooms for the day, sorry. And this is their mobile application, specifically the sign up screen. I was using it over the weekend and I thought this would be a great opportunity to run through my many frustrations of UI design, but also some of the things that I like when it comes to UI design in different mobile applications. I've got my Wacom tablet out and I'm pretty much going to run through the bits that I like and the bits I don't like. First of all, we have a very good distance between all the form inputs. For the rows in particular, the distance is the same down here. I do like the fact we have the same border radius on each of the inputs as well. I'm a big fan of a view password icon just to double check everything, and I do like the fact that the call to action is sharing the same border radius as every other input on the screen, which is pretty good. I'm definitely a big fan of the icons and the navigation area down here, so that gets a plus from me. Well, a scribble that communicates, I like it. And to be honest, I think that's all I like about this screen, if I'm honest. I'm going to change to a red pen and then we'll run through the things that actually frustrate me considerably. Right, so first thing that frustrated me was this. The size of this input in comparison to everything else. I do understand that this is a drop down, but that definitely could have been made the same height. And then it's this field here. I'm not a big fan of validation showing before I've attempted to put my password in. That's a huge frustration for me. So that I feel should be on input. Also, this area here. Now, I found this field particularly interesting and it actually prevented me from signing up. So it tells me it's not a valid phone number. However, there's no sort of UI communication as to what a valid phone number is. So as you can see on this screen here, I've taken off the 0. And on this screen I've added the 0, but it's still an invalid phone number and it doesn't communicate to me exactly what format my phone number should be taking. So that for me is a huge barrier. And this here, this for me is a massive frustration. I'm on a sign up screen, but the label on your call to action tells me to validate. I don't know what I'm validating. For me that should say either sign up or create account. Also, the distance between this password note and the call to action for me could be a lot better. I say that because this area here, this label relates to this input field. That could be right aligned here and the validation could stay there on the left, but this doesn't need to be so close to the sign up button, which the more I look at it continues to frustrate me because it says validate. I think that's it for the frustration, but it's a lot, especially considering the fact I wasn't able to sign up because of this field right here. So that's it for our critique today. What are your thoughts in the comments below? Let me know what you feel this screen has done correctly and what they haven't, and I'll see you next time.